Hi everyone, you're here sewing with Cody, and today's video, this actually may be a new segment. In today's video, we are going to go over one of my favorite tools. So maybe I'll start a new segment that is Cody's favorite sewing, quilting, embroidery gadgets, because I've got quite a few. But this is one that my mom introduced me to, and that is a stiletto. However, it's not any ordinary stiletto. We've played with many different stilettos, and we've got a number of different ones in the shop. First of all, if you don't know what a stiletto is essentially a tool or a point. Some people use pencils, some people use bamboo skewers or different items, and it's basically to extend your finger closer to the needle while you're trying to sew to really get your item exactly where you need to get it, or to pull the top layer of fabric over, or basically to extend your finger to a safe distance and create it at a point so you can get really close to the needle right before it starts stitching on your fabric. And so that's what I have here. I have a stiletto. This stiletto is actually by Annie. Just to make it clear, we're not getting paid to promote the By Annie stiletto. It's just the best stiletto. We've tried plastic ones, all different types, and this one hands down is the best. And you may be asking yourself, why is it the best? It's the best because, one, it has a nice wooden handle, so something to hold on to, makes it really easy. It's nice and lightweight, but the best part about it is the metal point. It's not just any metal point. This one, you can't see it, but you can definitely feel it, and you can see it up close, but it's textured. So it's got a nice point, which will poke you if you push too hard, which is nice because you can poke the fabric, but the best part about it is its textured edge. So when you're pushing up against fabric or you're moving fabric, this point just isn't going to pierce the fabric. It's going to hold on to the fabric. It's wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful. And that is why the By Annie stiletto is the best stiletto out there that we've played with. And it's not very expensive. We sell them in the shop. We ship them to customers all the time. So it is a wonderful tool. And I'll show you a better closer look of why this stiletto is so great. We'll show it in action. So let's take a closer look. So here we've got a closer look up at the By Annie stiletto. And maybe in this view you can see that the point is nice and textured. You can even hear it as I rub my fingernail against it. So what's nice about this is, so when we are pushing, so say if we're sewing this seam here, and if I need to push this top layer or bring the bottom layer over, I can easily poke it, but it's not poking all the way through. It doesn't want to just slide right through there because it's not a smooth surface. So if I need to move, or if I really need to get that piece in there, I can easily get it and move it. And I get right up against that needle and I'm going to hurt my finger. I'm not going to get that close, but that's the beauty of and the purpose of a stiletto, really, is to be able to maneuver the fabric right up against the needle in unsafe areas for your finger. But so, I mean, you can use, I use it for different shirts, especially like bulkier pieces that you almost shoving underneath there. Another beautiful thing is if you do encounter a really bulky seam that it's trying to go over or whatnot, a lot of times I can stick this stiletto right into my fabric, right on the side, and I can help pull it backwards. Especially depending on what type of foot you're working with, you can really just stick it in there and help it glide right underneath the foot. Just do stay clear of the needle because you don't want to break or mess up your machine or your needle. But you're able to get right next to it, under your different feet, and help pull that bulkiness or that bulky seam or that bulky piece back and through your machine instead of pulling and potentially stretching your whole fabric. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted a short video showing one of my favorite tools. And like I said, this may be a whole new segment. We'll see. But this is the Stiletto by Annie. Alright, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check me out on Instagram. I'm always posting some new stuff or whatever I'm working on, really. And as always, happy sewing.